Hey, Allie and Abby, I am doing something different this week and I am vlogging on the go. I am in Paeng, Thailand, and I've only been here for a couple hours and I'm already obsessed. But the different thing about this trip compared to all my other trips is that this trip I am doing completely-ish on my own. And if you're watching this video, this is actually the first time that you're finding out that I traveled alone by myself, which is only partially true. I'm actually here in Paeng with two other students from the program that I'm traveling with. But for the most part, during the day, we're all kind of doing our own thing. And then we're gonna get back together at night and we'll hang out as a group or do whatever. I didn't tell anybody at home because I didn't want to worry them. I am gonna have so much footage from this trip that you're still gonna be seeing it in January, because when I run out of a vlog idea in the spring, I'm just gonna pull up old Paeng footage because I'm gonna have literally hours of Paeng footage. Hi guys, I am literally sitting at the top of a waterfall. Like, there it goes, all the way down there. I don't know if you can see, it's down there. I'll show you how far it is. Anyways, I was just walking up to this waterfall and I just met a Kappa Delta. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at my face. I just met a Kappa Delta in the middle of nowhere, Thailand, and I am so excited! Sisterhood is real, y'all. That's it, okay. Good morning, Allie and Abby. I hope that I'm talking loud enough that you can hear me, and I'm sorry I'm like squinting. The sun is right in my face as it is early morning, well, early-ish morning. But I am at the Mae Yen Waterfalls, and they are fantastic. Look at this. Look at that. That's so incredible. Oh my gosh, I cannot. I love this town so much. The drive up to this waterfall was like the most beautiful 20-minute drive I've ever done in my life. And I have no words. It's fantastic. I cannot wait to come back already, and I haven't even left yet. Yeah. So when people ask me what the dumbest thing I did in Thailand is, my answer is without a doubt going to be sliding down this waterfall. Without my shoes, because I went down to the first level and I didn't realize it was a one-way ticket. So like once you go part way, you're going all the way. And so I just slid down these two waterfalls, which they're known for sliding down. Like that's what you're supposed to do. It's like the sliding waterfalls. But I didn't realize it was gonna be a one-way ticket. So I had to hike from the bottom of this waterfall all the way back up to the mid-level, and then from the mid-level back up to this top level, because I didn't have my shoes and I had to do it barefoot, and that is the dumbest thing that I did in Thailand, for sure. The second dumbest thing I did in Thailand was thinking I could get out of that water pool without putting my phone down on the rock first. Got a little splashed. Yes, there was water in the speaker and headphone charger port. I sliced my knee. There it is. Solo travel is going really well for me. We're thriving. It's time for me to go to the hot springs. Oh, okay. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere north of Paeng, and I legitimately don't know where I am, but it's okay because I know what roads to use to get back. Plus I still have service out here, which is incredible. So I'm gonna be able to maps it back, but I was looking for a waterfall and it's not marked, and I think only the locals know where it is, and they kept telling me to keep going down this road, and it finally got too muddy and too rocky for me to be able to keep going on my rented moped. And that's thunder. So I figured I should probably turn around because that's behind me, and I still got probably 20 minutes until I get back to my hostel. But I'm gonna get back and chill out until tonight when I meet up with my friends. So, but sick views. Hey! All right, bye. It was a 3-hour hike, but we made it. Never again, but definitely worth it.